Hello everyone. For oh, for our classroom, Ajahn sorry for the weakness signal. Hi, Ajahn will take this video clip and explain about our lesson networking and management information system via YouTube. Okay, about the concept of this chapter is a part of the topic of management information systems, which is preparing for the organization's benefit or the organizational executives of the management system. Organizers can collect information, analyze, and compile it out from the best benefits of the students. Okay, next, learning objectives. About our learning objectives นะคะ To understand the basic principle of MIS, to explain the MIS function, to analyze the MIS, apply into their major in an organizations. And the next one about learning outcome, can explain and can analyze. So student can explain definition of MIS. Student can explain the level, the importance and benefits of MIS. Students can analyze the MIS match with the management level. And the last one, student can analyze the MIS into case studies. About content definition, the level of use of MIS, the benefits, importance, characteristic, components, types. The level of use of MIS. Okay. It is a computer system or procedure that helps store information in administration and management organization effectively. MIS is a system network that responds to a manager's need for a trend or overall organization to make decisions. We concern about the decision level. Alternatively, plan to control the organization correctly. It will include internal information. This means internal information in organization and external information. This means the outside information, including things that expect to happen in the future, has been mentioned for people, documents, technology, and step in work and the problem in business such as price, product, or strategy. Information system is management are different from general information system because this system used to analyze other systems. Academically, the word of information system is used in a data management pattern such as a system expect system to help the decision. And next, look at the level of use of MIS. Information obtained from management information system will be a system that can support in information provided. All three levels of management are entry-level executive, middle management, and senior management. In most cases, the report will be summary of all database so that executive can see the trend and an overview of a data from reports received. First, MIS is the policy, planning, strategy, and decision making of senior management. MIS in the tactical areas of planning, execution, and decision making of middle management. Information system for operational management and control at this stage, the lower level executives are the information users to help in performing work. Information system obtained for processing. It can provide an overview of all of the mentioned management information systems. It is a perfect application of both administrative knowledge and information technology knowledge. And the next one, the benefit of MIS. Users can access the information they need and receive up to date information. Users can bring the information that lets set goals, strategies, and operational planning in the workplace. User can bring the information that is inspecting and evaluate the performance. Users can bring the information for studies and analyze the root cause of the problem. Alternatively, obstacles that arise, finding the cause and errors in operation to find ways to control, improve, and fix problems. Users can bring the information that used in studies and analyze to help reduce costs that occur. Next, importance of MIS. MIS is both department and software system. It can help companies gain a competitive advantage. The data that calculated by the MIS system can help managers make the best decision related to sales, manufacturing, resources, and etc. The Management Information System Department and the software system help organizations increase productivity and enabling workers to spend more time on productive tasks. The example of management information system work with governance and infrastructure. About governance is related to system and control all employees by computing system. This management information system department defines, manage, and enforce rules on how and workers can enter the company's technologies and network infrastructure. A management information system is responsible for IT security and enforce codes of conduct related to computer system use. Next, infrastructure refers to the technology system that support the day-to-day functioning of the business, such as software, desktop, laptop, computer, servers, phones, and cloud computing applications. Next, a good characteristic of MIS. MIS can apply to executive decisions and all levels, help to find information quickly, focus on solving problems that happen with routine work. MIS is a working system that combines information from multiple subsystems that are related to each other. The involvement of the MIS user would not be successful without cooperation and user satisfaction. MIS uses computer technology to help because the information in the organization is large and complex. About this chapter aims to provide information that is useful to the organization to use, control the work and management of the organization. To store data, create a database. With this database is a collection of information into only one objective to avoid the complexity of data collection. And next, we look at components of management information system. Management, information, and system. Okay. Next, type of information system. Okay, there are three levels of information systems. So we look at bottom up. For the first one, transaction processing system, TPS. Each type of information system records the day-by-day transaction of a business. This is the level of operational management, operations manager, self-directed team. And the next one, management information system in the middle management. About this, we concern about tactical management, business unit managers, self-directed team. About this, source as MIS are commonly used to guide managers to make semi-structured decisions. And the last one, we concern for this level because we are the leader and leader must use this level for decision. This is decision support system. Decision support system or DSS. High level managers can use decision support system to make semi-structured decisions. The interest in MIS is increasing and the rapid growth of prescription theory and research exerts available ability of MIS is not of equal service to all managers. Supervisors working in the public sector must keep remembering caution as they seek to draw lesson from MIS literature. Most MIS knowledge, both formal and no harm, has been developed from private sector data side for application in the private sector. Prescriptions developed for the private sector for generic management may be available for the public sector context. The problem is that finding in prescriptions apply to public management and which are not. When MIS theory and research have grown by leaps and bounds, research and virtually no theory have published management information system. Next, foods outdoors. Or before we talk about foods outdoors, um, about the challenge of MIS. Nothing is perfect, right? Even MIS also, there will be many advantages, but there are always things to consider and challenges that arise. There are three challenges with MIS. First, costly. This means developing your information system or purchasing an already developed system costs a whole lot, especially a company that have recently installed the new MIS system and often a problem, including the rapid change in computer system. It is another factor that organizations have to consider whether they have to change technology to be up to date or not. And next, employee training. Employees should continually learn information system in a changing, competitive, and business environment. If employees are slow to learn and change, it will put the organization at a competitive disadvantage. And the last one, maintenance. As we have explained since beginning, MIS is a system that consists of software. Some service providers charge for additional data volume. Hardware provide the storage, server, and keeping a computer in a working state at all times, so the cost is required on maintenance to prevent or solve the problems. Okay, and next, food of thought. But in the classroom, Ajahn will ask this question before you leave for the meeting. But about our clip, I hope students you think about your example of networking and MIS in your real life. And Ajahn will show one case study for you, and I hope you can think about the case study from yourself and you can apply the knowledge from today and into the case study that you made. Okay, for the case study, Ajahn will talk about the Indigo restaurant. The Indigo restaurant is an Italian pizza restaurant. This restaurant has a traditional paper-based system of taking orders on a small paper notebook, and all the waiters follow the same system, right? However, it's noticed that sometimes taking orders on paper has problems like the problem when missing the paper ripped apart, or even the paper got damaged due to water spill on it. So this restaurant came up with new management information system for using iPad to take orders. So the waiters start taking orders using an iPad digitally. This technology made a system work so smooth there was no chance of orders getting missing. The orders could keep storing in the file for longer. Using this new kind of MIS-based system in this restaurant is so easy and fast also. It makes the restaurant look more professional, right? And high-tech technology. This new system using iPads was done for other processes, also like managing waiting lists of customers. And right now, customers could book the tables in advance, and the restaurant could manage their booking. Okay, for this chapter we just finished right now and we meet again on next week ค่ะบ๊ายบายค่ะ everyone